If you're considering SocialBakers for your social media management and analytics needs, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. While it's a solid option, there are several factors to consider before jumping in, especially when comparing it to other tools like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, or Buffer. Let's dive in. First, SocialBakers offers comprehensive social media analytics, which is a huge advantage for businesses looking to track performance across various platforms. Their insights cover everything from engagement rates to follower growth, giving you the data you need to make informed decisions. However, this is also something you'll find in most top competitors like Sprout Social, so it's worth comparing the depth of the data before committing. Next thing, the user interface. SocialBakers has a clean, intuitive design that's easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. This makes it appealing to smaller businesses or individuals who want to manage their social presence without a steep learning curve. But when you compare it to Hootsuite, it may feel a bit limited in terms of customization options and flexibility for larger teams. The third thing to keep in mind is automation. SocialBakers offers scheduling and publishing features, allowing you to plan content in advance across various channels. While this is an essential feature, tools like Buffer and Hootsuite excel in this area with more advanced scheduling features and better integration with third-party apps. Now, the fourth thing to consider is SocialBakers Audience Insights. Their AI-powered tools help analyze audience behavior and trends. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to hone in on your target demographic. However, tools like Sprout Social and Buffer offer similar audience analysis tools, but SocialBakers does a great job of simplifying the process, making it easier to digest for users who may not be data savvy. Fifth, SocialBakers offers a unified inbox for managing customer interactions across different platforms, which can save you a lot of time if you have a high volume of engagement. But while this is a nice feature, it's not unique. Sprout Social also has a similar unified inbox, though SocialBakers does offer more integrations with social platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn. The sixth thing you should know is their customer support. SocialBakers offers support via live chat, email, and phone, which is great for those who need assistance right away. That said, Hootsuite and Sprout Social also offer strong support options, and some users report that SocialBakers' response time can vary. Next, let's talk about pricing. SocialBakers is on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, especially for smaller businesses. If you're just starting, it may feel a bit steep compared to other tools like Buffer or Later, which offer more affordable plans with solid functionality. However, if you're a larger business or an agency, SocialBakers could be worth the investment. The eighth thing to remember is their analytics reporting capabilities. SocialBakers gives you customizable reports that you can share with your team or clients. But if you need more granular reporting options or deeper insights, competitors like Sprout Social offer more advanced reporting tools, making them a better choice for data-heavy users. Next, let's look at their content creation tools. SocialBakers offers a content library for organizing your posts and assets, but when it comes to creative design tools, they're not as robust as competitors like Canva or Later, which allow you to design content directly within the platform. The 10th thing to consider is integrations. SocialBakers integrates with major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but it might fall short if you need integrations with niche platforms or CRM tools. In this case, Hootsuite's large number of integrations could be a deal breaker for some users. Now, the 11th thing is reporting on paid media campaigns. SocialBakers lets you track paid ads and organic performance, but if you're running a lot of paid social media campaigns, tools like Sprout Social give you more detailed ad tracking and optimization features. And lastly, SocialBakers offers team collaboration features, allowing multiple users to access and manage the platform simultaneously. While this is a great feature, the functionality can feel limited compared to what you'll find in tools like Hootsuite, which allows for more robust team roles and permissions. In conclusion, SocialBakers is a solid social media management and analytics tool, offering a lot of useful features for small to medium-sized businesses. It provides valuable insights, scheduling, and reporting tools, but it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you're looking for advanced features or a lower price point. If you want to explore a better option with a more competitive price and additional functionality, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.